What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the latest alerts on all the content and videos that we drop here on the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be going over another soft pull credit offer. Now, this particular one is for a loan amounts from $5,000 up to $20,000. And another great thing about this particular institution that we're going to be reviewing is the fact that you can get an offer with just a soft pull. Now, the institution is First Federal Bank of Kansas City. Now, you're probably wondering, like, what bank is that, right? I actually stumbled across them just through some normal research on, soft pull credit offers, which I know a lot of you guys like. And so they do offer a soft pull credit offer. However, if you do go forward with the offer, they will hard pull you. And again, this is a soft pull that's just using TransUnion to qualify you. But let's go walk over the application so I could kind of show you guys what to expect. So let's jump over real quick. All right, so here we are on the website for First Federal Bank of Kansas City. Now, this bank actually has been around for over 100 years, so it's a pretty old bank. But overall, in terms of their products, they don't have that many in terms of a variety. It seems like they focus more so on real estate types of loans. So as you can see here, they have home loans, refinancing, VA loans, FHA, home equity lines, HELOCs, in construction and auto loans. But what I wanted to show you is actually their personal loans. So they don't have any revolving types of credit. It's all installment, loans. So let's jump over here to the personal loans really quickly. So all you have to do is hit this apply now button and it'll pull up the application. So here we have the amount. So you just enter the amount as you can see here, choose amount between 5,000 and 20,000, and then all you have to do is submit all your personal information, your first name, last name, date of birth, address, city, state, zip. And another important point too, I know beforehand that this uses TransUnion. So what you want to do to make sure there's no hiccups is pull up your TransUnion credit report and see what address is listed. Because if you put something other than what's on your credit report, then they may not be able to verify your identity. So that's very, very important. Um, and so here they also ask about your highest level of education, your primary income source. So they have a drop down button right here. Let's say if you have a salary job, you just select that. And then you can choose like what your occupation is. So let's say, for example, you're an accountant, whatever, right? They have a list that you could choose from basically. And then what's actually kind of cool, they have companies already listed, like pre-populated. So you could search for like, if you work for Amazon or, whatever, right? You could search for that. And then they basically just have like your start date, your annual income, additional compensation, which could be bonuses or anything like that that you might get for your job. And if you have another source of income, you just hit this plus button right here and you can select. So let's say you also have a little side hustle where, you might have an LLC or a sole prop. You could add that income as well to support your application. So you just enter in the income, when you started, etc. And then here they ask how much do you have in savings or checking in savings. So you can enter that. Investment accounts, which includes index funds, mutual funds, 401k, IRA. You can put that there as well. And now here they have a question that I was wondering why they have this question here, but it's something that I always preach about, right? Have you taken out any new loans in the past 3 months? The reason why they're asking this, right, is because when you have an account that's less than 3 months, it's considered a brand new account. And so when you have recent loans, let's say you opened up a credit card, a loan, whatever, last month or 2 months or 3 months ago, and it's reporting as a new account, right? That's something that a lot of banks and credit issuers do not like to see, that you just recently got some credit. The way they're looking at it is like, you just got this loan. Why do you need more money from us? And they haven't seen, you haven't really shown your track record with that new account yet. So uh, this is a very important question. I'm curious if it's actually a screener question, right? So make sure that you're gardening before you go about seeking credit, and actually, you probably want to garden a little bit more. I mean, my rule of thumb is like 6 months with no new accounts. That'll usually put you in a good position. And then all you have to do, you could also create a login where you could just put your email and password. And then right here, you just have to check the box agreeing to the electronic communications policy. And also here, peep this, checking your rate won't affect your credit. So there's no hard pull to receive an offer. However, if you do move forward with the offer that you receive, then it would be a hard pull. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys. If there's anyone who has any experience with First Federal Bank of Kansas City, definitely let us know in the comment section down below. And until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.